Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. It's your sister Zainab. Welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm not going to be cooking, guys. I wanted to come here and tell you that we are actually moving out. We have been here for 2 years. When we came in this complex, was no house in downstairs. We just took this house because there was no other option, and where we were staying it was so much problem. We wanted to move out. The reason why I'm telling you guys know that I love my kitchen and I don't want to go to a new house and you guys see different kitchen. I'm going to be showing you guys the house where we are going. I really love this house because I think it's quite bigger than where we are going, but the reason why we are going there is because of stays. We are just tired of up and down. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys the house where we are going, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay guys, so when you enter you find the kitchen, as you can see, which is quite small compared to the one in previous apartment. But the exciting news is that this one has a extra storage on the side. I'm going to show you guys now. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This we didn't have in our previous apartment, so yeah, it's a good thing, because which thing I'm not using like big plates or grocery things. I'm gonna keep there, so I have extra space in the kitchen. So this is the sink. Okay, this is a sitting area. The sitting area is also not that small. It's fine because I'm editing this video after putting everything in the in this new house. So I saw how much space I have. It's quite bigger than the previous apartment, so it's fine. I love the sitting area as well. It's really nice and big. So here is the toilet. This is the bathroom. Yeah, so the bathroom that side, the previous apartment we had 2 bathroom, and here it's 1 bathroom. But what we can do, I really love houses with a 2 bathroom, but it's okay. We have a shower, everything in one place, so yeah, it's fine. It's not bad, but the shower is really small. The shower area is very small, guys. Okay guys, so we are out from the bathroom. Now we're entering in the bedroom. This bedroom, it has carpet. I mean, it's 2 bedrooms in this house, and both of them has a carpet, which is not what we really wanted, but it's okay. I love the bedroom because it's quite bigger than the previous which we had in previous apartment, so it's actually cool. Yeah, so this is the wardrobes. Okay, going out, this is the other bedroom. This is the smaller one. It's not that small, also it's quite a little bit more bigger compared to which we had in previous what you call it, apartment. Yeah, so this is the wardrobe also. Okay, now we are going outside. This is the door. So we have a bright area which we didn't have in our previous house apartment. Yeah, we have a really big space here outside. We can plant anything we want, which is another exciting thing. Yeah, so okay guys, so thank you all for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.